It is a futuristic story. What do you mean by futuristic story?
It will
Ma'am,
happen
it will happen in the future.
It's going to happen.
Very good, very good. It is going to happen in the future.
In future.
Very good. It is going to happen in future. So we saw that in future, two children named Maggie and Tommy, they found a book. From where Tommy found the book? Tommy found the book from his attic of his house. Attic means roof of his house. In that, it is about a school, and Maggie already she said that she hated the school because of the test papers and homework. That and all we completed. Now we are going to next page number 8. Hmm? First page. Okay, can you see, children? Sure, they had a teacher. First Maggie asked Tommy what is it about the textbook. Then Tommy told her that it is about then Maggie wondered what is say about a school. That's so what they enjoyed in the olden days is not the school life what Maggie and Tommy enjoying now. Got it, children? So it was very interesting for Maggie. It was very interesting for Maggie. So Tommy asked whether they have a teacher. Maggie asked to Tommy that whether they had a teacher. Then he is telling the details about what kind of a teacher, what kind of a school, everything they had. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't regular teacher. It was a man. It was not a regular teacher. What kind of a teacher they had? They had a human being as a teacher, a man. How could a man be a teacher? Then Maggie was wondering how a human being can be a teacher. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them the questions. A smart man isn't that smart, so is smart enough. Maggie is wondering how it is possible for a human being to teach the children and to conduct the test paper and to ask the questions. A man isn't smart enough. That means smart is a man. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. So yes, what is in that? Now also my father knows. He is a human being. He knows as much as my teacher. My mechanical teacher, what they knows, the same way who knows also my father knows me about. Who said this one? Tommy said to
Tom,
Maggie. He knows almost as much I bet.
Ma'am, your
Okay,
voice is breaking.
while talking,
Ma'am, voice is
Ma'am, your
breaking.
it
voice
is
is breaking.
speaking everyone or only people. My voice is breaking for everyone or one or two people.
Ma'am,
How
now
many
okay.
of you feel that?
Everyone.
Maggie wasn't prepared to dispute that. He said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Then Maggie, what she told her, I don't want a strange man as a
Ma'am,
teacher.
again
I
your
don't allow anybody in my home. Maggie is telling that she doesn't want a strange man in her home as a teacher. Okay. So what Tommy screamed with laughter. So that time Tommy was screaming with laughter. Laughter means that he was laughing and screaming. You don't know much, Maggie. You didn't know anything, Maggie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had special building and all the kids went there. In olden days, no teachers were stayed in the home of the students. They have a special building known as school and the kids of that particular locality, they went there for getting education. Who explained all these things to Maggie?
I'm Tommy.
Tommy. and all the kids learn the same thing. Then he is telling to her that he is elder than her, so he knows something about the olden days and that day's education, everything. Then he told her that the kids of a particular place, they went a building known as school, and they got education from them. Sure, if they were the same age, if they were in the same age, they got same information and they got same education. But if they are in different ages, they will be put in different classes, and education they are received was different. All these things who explained to Maggie? Tommy explained to
Tommy, ma'am.
Maggie. But my mother says a teacher has to adjust to fit the mind of each boy and a girl. It teaches and that each kid has to taught differently. But I felt some difficulty. Then Maggie is telling my mother told that teacher has to fit. If all 11 years old and 12 years old, the teachers has to fit the children according to their age and mind. Then how it is possible in the olden school days? I didn't say just the same, they didn't do it that day the way then. You didn't like that it you don't have to read the book. But my mother says a teacher has to adjust it to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and each kid has to be taught differently. That was the doubt in the mind of Maggie. Then what he said, just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So what he said, you no need to worry about all these things. If you are not ready to read the book, what you want to do, you can leave. Okay, likewise, who said? Tommy
Ma'am,
said
Tommy.
to Maggie.
Tommy
Okay,
said,
Tommy, ma'am.
Tommy said to whom? Tommy said to Maggie.
Tommy said to Margie, ma'am.
Just then the same they didn't do it that day then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Maggie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Oh, then what Maggie said, I didn't say that I don't like the books. Just I said that's all that only I know about the schools and teachers. That also my mother told that I just conveyed here. I didn't say that I didn't like it, Maggie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She wanted to know why Maggie said like that. Because she wanted to know more about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Maggie's mother called. Maggie, school. Then they are started to read the textbooks. They didn't even finish half. Then what happened? Maggie's mother called her, Maggie, come here. Your school has started. Maggie look up, nodded, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Got it, children? So that time while they are doing reading the textbook, what happened? Their mother called her and said that yeah, her school time started. Now, then Maggie was begging to her mother, not now, Ma. I don't want it now. Then what she said, no, no, you have to come now itself. Said Mr. Jones, and probably time for Tommy too. Not only for you and for time, it's a time for schooling for to whom also? Tommy also. Who said this one?
Ma'am, Maggie's.
Mrs. John.
Mrs. Jones, Maggie's
Mr.
mother.
John, ma'am.
Maggie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after the school?" Then she wants to know what she wants to know. She wants to know what is inside the book. Then she was asking one permission, "My dear Tommy, can I come and sit with you for reading the textbook after school?" Maybe. He said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means showing much interest or enthusiasm. Nonchalantly, he walked away, whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. How he went, he was going by whistling, and he kept his precious book, old dusty book, under his arm. Maybe, said nonchalantly, he walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Maggie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So, what happened? Without any interest, Maggie went to her school room. There is a room for her as a school. Who was on there already? Who present? Who was there? Teacher. Teacher was on there. On mood. It was there. Always, every day, every time, the same schooling was there except Saturday and Sunday. See the classroom of Maggie. There is a camera is there. Then projectors are there. Then so many electronics things are there. Am I right, children? The mechanical teacher was flashing on the
Yes, ma'am.
screen. The mechanical teacher is also flashing on the screen. Because of her mother, see, Maggie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time. What happened to it? It was always on at the same time. It was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time, except every day, Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn in regular hours. Because what is the opinion of her mother? Her mother is telling everybody that, or according to her, what is her opinion? Little girls, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. If they are learning at regular hours, they will learn more. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper solve." Today, mathematics class, there they are going to read arithmetic lesson, and like the class started in between, the teacher instructed her to put her homework in the proper slot. Maggie did so with a sigh. Sigh, Nana, S-I-G-H, sigh. Those who have the textbook, underline the word sigh, na. Deep breathe. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help. They learned the same thing. They could help each other, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 4, 1 by 2, and 1 by 4. Likewise, class was continuing, but Maggie was thinking about her teacher thinking by sitting in front of her teacher. Suppose if the same thing is happening in the normal classroom, what will happen, children? We teachers will ask, call the name of you, Maggie, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Likewise, we teachers normally will ask, but it didn't happen in the case of mechanical teacher because it is a mechanical thing only. Understood? So while the class is going on, what is happening in the Maggie's mind? She was thinking about the olden schools. She was thinking about all the kind of school, what the fun they had. Maggie was thinking about how the kids must have loved in In the old days, she was thinking about the fun they had. What she was thinking? She was thinking about the fun they had. What fun they had? The
Fun they
olden
had.
days. Say what fun they had.
Olden days, how they have been funnily enjoyed.
In the olden days, how we enjoyed their school days. So think about now. Also, we are in the position we can understand understand the boring classrooms of mechanical teachers. Am I right? We can enjoy or we can understand how classroom and original classroom and virtual classrooms. Got it, children? Understand the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, once again, wait 1 minute, children.